Hi, my name is Nicole Bauman, and this is my presentation about the online formative assessment tool, Kahoot. Kahoot is a student response tool that can be used on all platforms. It allows teachers to run game-like quizzes and build presentations with embedded quizzes. Teachers can either create their own quizzes or find public quizzes that have already been published by other users. Kahoots can be presented live or assigned for self-paced learning. During live Kahoots, questions with answer choices get projected onto a classroom screen, while students submit responses using an internet-connected device like a computer, tablet, or phone. Questions and polls can contain images and video to help further appeal to all learners. Playing a game of Kahoot doesn't involve student accounts. It only requires a game pin from the main screen and a gameplay name for each participant. One of the great things about Kahoot is its ability to display high-quality images or videos with great graphical resolution. The embedded visual and audio elements in Kahoot present capability that can promote engagement, motivation, and learning among almost all students. You can also have the freedom to create your own quizzes and can decide which assessment is necessary for your students' needs. Another great thing about Kahoot is the ability to see results almost immediately. The correct answer of each question will be shown after answering the question. This allows the teacher to clear up any confusion or misconceptions at that exact moment. Other than the correct answer, detailed information about the answers given from the community is shown with relevant number of choices for each answer with a bar graph. After the game, you can see more detailed information about each individual student. A great way to get students involved is to have them work in groups, creating their own quizzes for students to compete in. This allows students to show their own knowledge on a subject, and it also allows for peer feedback. Although Kahoot is great at engaging students and data can be collected, as I spoke about in the last slide, the process of doing so can be time-consuming and it isn't student-led. Data is saved from each round of play and can be viewed online, and then exported to Google Drive or on your computer. The reports are well designed for providing immediate feedback, but they're limited because of the way students connect to the platform. For teachers, it can be time insensitive to analyze students' growth patterns or individual problem areas using Kahoot quizzes, but you do have the ability to do so. Thank you.